In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the circular pattern tool. So we have this little tube here. In order to use the circular pattern tool, we need something to pattern in a circular direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little rib on the outside of this. So I'm going to go and create a 2D sketch on this part here. And there's a reason that I didn't have this rib created as part of the original. It's easier if it's a separate piece that's been created in a separate in a separate step. So that's pretty rough, but we're going to go with that. Finish sketch. Let's extrude that, and let's see, maybe we should go the other direction. And the distance that we'll extrude will be 10, which is the same as what the original pipe was. We'll hit OK. Oops, what the heck went on there? Let's go into that. So we can update that extrusion by going into the extrusion here and go to Edit Feature. And it looks like the selection for removing material was chosen, and so we want to add material. So we just change it there, hit OK, and everything is updated. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to find the circular pattern tool. And we could have patterned this in 2D as well while we were in sketch mode, but the circular pattern tool just seems to work a little bit better in 3D. All right, so the first thing it's looking for is the features. That is why I said it's useful if you just do this in a separate step so that this sort of stands alone as a feature that you can pattern. And then the next thing it's going to look for is the rotation axis. And so the rotation axis here, you can choose anything circular that shares the same axis of the rotation axis that you're looking for. So if I click on this, if you can imagine where the center axis of that is, that's the same axis that I want to pattern around. So this would work, or this would work, both to give me that axis. So notice how it's grabbed that axis in the middle there. It says, how about we do 6? But I feel like we could probably handle a little more. Let's try 12. We hit OK, and that is how you use the circular pattern tool.